Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight email. It says huge savings on painting equipment and more. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And let's go ahead and get started. We got the HVLP handheld paint sprayer for $69.99. I guess these have been okay. Nobody's said anything negative so far. People like them. You know, they wish they... This one, you have to refill a lot, you know. Obviously, you want to get the bigger one, because in this one, you just have a small canister there, container. So you might want to try and get the bigger one, or something like this. Anyways, yeah, this is the paint sprayer for $69.99. So it's the little one. You got the HVLP portable airless paint sprayer for $129.99. And then you got the old, not the old, but you know, the first one, that the older one from Harbor Freight, the airless paint sprayer kit for $169.99. It does have 4.5 stars. So you got the reversible airless paint sprayer tips, $14.99. I heard that these are compatible with Grack or other brands. So just do your research. Always look at the comments, because I know they are the people were saying that they are compatible with the other brands. Electric paint sprayer gun, $14.99. You got the HVLP spray gun kit for $99.99. You got an 18-inch working platform step tool for $19.99. You got the 6 feet type 2 fiberglass step ladder for $54.99. You got the 17 feet multi-test ladder for $109. I'm currently on the market to buy a ladder. I was either thinking this or get the Gorilla ladder. The Gorilla ladder, I think it's $129.99. So I don't know. Sometimes these are $100. They go to $100. Might be just about the same, you know. I know the Gorilla ladder has if you're 350 pound, the overall, you know, what it holds. This one's 300 pound capacity. You got heavy duty portable scaffold, $169.99. Drywall panel hoist, $169.99. These, I have these. I use them. I currently use them for oil changes and tire rotations, brake jobs, pretty much all the DIY mechanic work I have to do. So I use these, and they are very good. They last a whole day, you know, of work. And these are the 7mm heavy duty powder free nitro gloves, pack of 50, $7.99. You got the 4 feet by 12 feet canvas drop cloth, $5.99. You got the orbital palm sander for $9.99. You got the 8-inch portable ventilation, $59.99. You got the 24-inch high velocity shot fan for $119.99. You got the 30-inch pedestrian high velocity shot fan for $119.99. So you got pretty much the same price. And these are not the quiet ones, so just keep that in mind. They are not quiet. They're kind of loud. Obviously, there are metal blades and metal, you know, so they're going to be making some noise. Just keep that in mind. You got a 250 watt portable halogen shop light for $9.99. You got the 1000 watt fixed dual head halogen shop lights, $24.99. I'm actually surprised that they still have halogen. You know, everybody's moving to LED. So you got 50 feet 5 bulb job site light string for $39.99. You got the Ames instruments designed for professional electricians. and HVAC technicians. So I guess, you know, they got a whole line of tools there, meters. You got pocket-sized digital multimeter for $17.99. You got the AC/DC clamp meter for $79.99. You got the non-contact voltage tester, $3.99. Electrical receptacle tester with GFCI diagnostics, $3.99. You got the 2.7 digital inspection camera, $69.99. If you guys haven't seen the video, I currently did a video of an inspection camera I got from Amazon. So I'll see if I can link that video up above, or just look at go to the search section on YouTube and just put endoscope toolhead 147 and you'll see my my video there. But yeah, this is not a bad, well, not, I don't have this one, but I used to have the one before, and it's not that bad. I mean, it works, you know. Swivel tilt TV wall mounts for $9.99. These are great, especially for the price. Those have 5 stars. Tilting flat panel TV mount, $19.99. Full motion TV wall mounts, $39.99. You got the 3/16 33 feet fiberglass wire running kit, $7.99. You got the 50 feet fish tape, $5.99. You got the 3-piece high voltage electrician's pliers, $19.99. 20% off any hole saw kit or set. Yeah, that's the coupon right there. See what's new. You got the 10-inch tote with 22 pockets, $19.99. You got the 4 volts lithium coreless 1/4 screwdriver kit, and $15.99. I gotta try this. 5-inch random orbital sander, $34.99. You got the 500 lumen LED solar security lights, $29.99. These look a lot like the 60 LED ones that I have one. They look exactly like that, but you know, just probably this is different. And now they have the white one for $29, which is not a bad deal, you know. Especially this white one's nice. Plus, save with super coupons. It says Predator beats Honda high voltage gas generator, $629.99. Foldable sawhorse, $8.99. Variable speed multifunction power tool, $22.99. 7-inch tile saw sliding table, $219.99. So this is the new one. And the Bear Deno Tools did this demonstration video, so you guys can watch that. It says Diamondback. Let's see here.
Welcome to Redbeard and the Den of Tools. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear and such will mount on. It says in the manual that you need to insert them. 3 of mine were already in there, 1 was floating around. Then you're going to have 6 bolts that go through here and bolt into
the installation video
saw arm.
or installation part.
Full side table here. It's got 2 little nubs right there that line up with these points, and then
he's actually cutting with it. Anyways, if you want to see the full video, check out his channel. It's the Den of Tools, and the title of this video is Diamondback 10-inch tile saw. So if you guys want to check that out. All right, let's see here. Got ultra quiet 2-gallon 1.2 horsepower oil-free professional air compressor, $159.99. You got the 40 by 72 moving blanket, $3.99. You got the 4-piece 1 by 15 ratcheting tie downs for $6.99. I do have these. They were pretty good. 3,100 psi, 2.8 gallons per minute, 6.5 horsepower, $349. You got the 7 1/4 12 amp heavy duty circular saw The laser guide, $32.99. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.